Your business has amassed an impressive fleet of vehicles, but with size comes inconsistency and nonconformity. You need to maintain your vehicles efficiently so you can be confident they're available and functioning properly. You need to track each vehicle's status and whereabouts, and you need predictable and actionable insight. That's where SAP Leonardo Industry Innovation Kits come in. They are designed to accelerate the solving of critical industry problems with repeatable integrated capabilities and innovation services. And they are sourced from SAP's portfolio of powerful solutions for analytics, the Internet of Things, machine learning, big data, blockchain, data intelligence, and SAP Cloud Platform. The Fleet Insights option for the SAP Leonardo for Automotive Industry Innovation Kit delivers a scalable approach to digital transformation, providing technology that delivers a quick path to innovation. By combining global positioning data, maintenance information, and sensor technology with your fleet business process, you can gain real-time visibility into the overall status of your fleet and of each vehicle. And by gaining an overview of vehicle locations and performance while constantly monitoring equipment, you can quickly respond to exceptions and deviations. SAP Leonardo combines next-generation technologies and industry expertise to meet you where you are and to take you where you want to go. Our 4-step human-centric approach takes as little as 8 to 10 weeks to develop and allows you to collaborate with designers, business transformation consultants, and industry and technology experts to create a working prototype that runs on SAP Cloud Platform. Optimize your fleet and gain benefits that include full visibility, meaningful insights ranging from the global view down to specific vehicle performance, improved vehicle availability and customer experience, new business offers, and increased profits. To learn more, go to sap.com/Leonardo. The best run SAP.